देख मैंने चालू किया, नोटिफिकेशन आया है क्या? हाय पीहू, हाय पूजा, गुड आफ्टरनून। हाय शुभांगी, हाय सौम्या। I was little late today, 3 minutes late. Hi everyone, good afternoon. युक्ता, हाय पूजा, गुड आफ्टरनून। पिन चाहिए मुझे। हेलो अश्विनी, हाय एवरीवन, हैप्पी दशहरा टू ऑल ऑफ यू। मेरी डायरी स्पाइरल वाली। मेरे रूम में चेक कर। हेलो एवरीवन, हाय आरती। We'll wait for 2 more minutes and then we'll start. Hi Neha. Hi Sneha. Hi Komal. Hi everyone. Hello Aparna ji. Komal, I have not started anything. Don't worry. I'll start. We'll wait for 2 more minutes, other people to join up, and then we'll start. I have not started with anything. Why so less people today celebrating the Dashera? Okay, I think I should start now. So, our today's article is this frame hanging. I'm going to tell you how to make this beautiful hanging. In this I have taken baby shower theme, but yeah, today I'm going to tell you a little bit different. The techniques will be same, a little different from this. See, I keep on repeating, you must learn the technique. आप खुद का क्रिएशंस कुछ भी कर सकते हो, इट्स ऑल अप टू यू. सो okay, let me start with my introduction to the people who are new to the group. Hi friends, I am Megha Gindodia. I am Fevicryl certified professional from last 11 years. I am working as a freelancer with Pedalite company, and I am a professional folk artist and a crafter. I started my career as a folk artist, and then I joined Pedalite as a Pedalite teacher. I'm working from last 11 years as a freelancer. So I would like to thank Pedalite company also for giving us this opportunity to go online, to come online and start my classes, and to interact with you all, to all of you, because in this pandemic people are losing job, and whereas we Fevicryl teachers, if we are working, we are getting a good pay from the company. Fevicryl is the only Indian brand who is supporting all the artists who are working as a freelancer for them. And just a request from all of you that please buy Fevicryl products as much as you can. Don't go for any other brands. Please, you can the Pedalite products, and give us the submissions on the time. If you are giving the submissions later, see, it's very difficult to issue the certificate also. I have those limitations that I can give you the certificate till this day, not more than that. So please give your submissions on time, and please use the Fevicryl products only. Okay. Start our article. I have taken a circle here. This is around 10 inches. So this is my I have taken MDF cutout. If you don't have MDF cutouts, no worries guys, you can always take mound board. वो thick मोटा जो पुट्ठा आता है आप वो ले सकते हो. So you have to take this. And what I did is, I did 3 holes here for the hangings. See, I have taken the hangings here. So I did holes for that. तो अगर आप ये माउंट बोर्ड के ऊपर कर रहे हो तो आपको बहुत कंफर्टेबली आप ये होल्स कर सकते हो. If you are doing it on MDF, so ask that MDF cutting person to cut these holes for you. If you have circles and you cannot do these holes, what you can do is just put a tape behind and then you can start. Hi everyone. Hi Amulya. Thank you Rupa. I'm trying to read everybody's comment, but if I miss somebody, please, I'll see to it later also. This is my Fevicryl acrylic color. जो 6 कलर्स का शेड होता है उनको हम लिलैक कलर्स बोलते हैं, लिलैक किट बोलते हैं. एंड जो 10 कलर्स का होता है दैट इज नोन एज सनफ्लावर किट. So here I am taking this Fevicryl acrylic color. Today I'll be taking red color, crimson red from this. Okay, am I audible and visible properly? Please reply. Am I audible and visible properly, guys? I'm waiting for your reply. Soumya, am I audible and visible properly? Okay, thank you, Manisha. So here I'm just crimson red color. The proportion of colors are very good. You don't need to add a lot of water to it. Actually जब आपका कलर नया होता है तो आप डायरेक्टली बॉटल में से निकाल के आप आराम से यूज़ कर सकते हो. And these fine art brushes are also, trust me guys, these Taklon brushes are really amazing. The only thing is कि आप जब ये ब्रश यूज़ कर रहे हो तो आपको ये brushes, once you're done with your work, you need to just wash it properly. That's it. Yeah, I had given white color coat, but later I thought of doing red color. Actually पहले मैंने सोचा था white base रखने का, but then white color. But अभी I have just thought of putting a color, red color thing, and starting with red color. Okay, so I'll just allow it to dry. Meanwhile, I'll just tell you. So these are the paper packs you get in the market in different sizes. That comes for like 6 by 6 or 6 by 6 inches, 10 by 10, 12 by 12. ऐसे बहुत सारे different size में you get these papers. This is around 240 GSM. If you can see, this is 240 GSM. You can take, if you don't have paper packs at home, what you can do is आप कोई magazine में से भी बहुत अच्छे printed papers ले सकते हो and you can start working with it. Else you can take out the printouts or look for the other options, girls. Because you know what, मैं आपको एक idea बताती हूँ और I tell you something. There are people who have their own set of, they come up with such a beautiful ideas that I can't tell you. So this paper pack is there. इसको I am just marking in, this is 6 inch by 6 inch. Sorry, yeah, this is 6 inch by 6 inch. So I'm going to make the strips of one. I'm going to mark 1.5 inch strip here. See, I'll just mark it like this. This paper is 6 inch by 6 inch. So once I have marked it, and then I have to cut it and get the strips like this. So this way I'm going to get my strips. So now I'm taking my Fevicol A Plus and I'm going to fold this paper. How I'm going to fold it, I'll just show you once. I'm taking around 1 centimeter fold here, and then I'll fold it in a way like this, up and down. This is called fan fold. You must learn the techniques. That is only one thing. Later you can have your own set of creativity, own set of ideas, and then you can execute it. हम लोग यहाँ सिर्फ आपको एक छोटे छोटे टिप्स एंड आइडियाज़ दे सकते हैं. फॉर माई क्लास इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी कि आपको सब कुछ सेम बनाना है. यू कैन हैव योर ओन वे ऑफ डूइंग. सी अगेन दिस स्ट्रिप इज देयर एंड आई एम फोल्डिंग इट इनटू वन अराउंड इन फैन फोल्ड. Girls, videos won't be available after the class. So if you have, you can just ask me. And thanks a lot for coming online with me and watching the video. So इस पेपर के ऊपर लव लव लिखा हुआ था. So what I'm going to do is, you must take it straight. I mean to say that one writing should not go straight and one should not go ulta. So that is one thing you have to keep in mind. Now I'm going to stick this. My Fevicol A plus. You can take Fevicol also, no problem, but A plus have a very good sticking. It's a thick glue. जब आप स्टिक करोगे तो आपको सिर्फ ये ध्यान रखना है कि ये जो जिगजैग पैटर्न है वो कंटिन्यू होना चाहिए. सो दिस थिंग आई एम गोइंग ना प्लेस इट हियर टू क्रिएट दैट जिगजैग फॉर्म. एंड अगेन यू हैव टू सी दैट ओके mine is going ulta. This you have to remember that all the alphabet should come. These are the paper packs which are easily available in any of the stores. Here I am taking 240 GSM paper, a little thicker one. 200 GSM will also do, no issues. So here are the strips which I have already done and kept. I am going to join all of them. These are long strips I have already done. यहाँ पर मैंने 6x6 का पेपर पैक लिया है और इफ़ आई मार्क इट इनटू 1.5 इंच तो ये 4 स्ट्रिप्स निकलते हैं. तो मैंने सिमिलर एक पेपर पैक में 2 सिमिलर कलर्स आते हैं, सिमिलर पैटर्न आते हैं, सिमिलर पैटर्न ऑफ पेपर्स. सो व्हाट आई हैव डन इज आई हैव टेकन 8 strips of 6x6 and then folded it into this zigzag form, that is called fan folding, and now I'm sticking them like this with the help of Fevicol A plus. See, this is done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it aside. First I'll tell you how to start with these hangings. These are the hangings. So I have, in the last class I have told you one method of doing it with silicone molds. Today again I'm going to tell you how to do with cookie cutter. So here I'm going to take this heart shaped cookie cutter, and I have these fondue cutter also, cake fondue cutter. So for that I required Fevicryl molded. In Fevicryl molded you have two candles, that is, one is resin base and one is hardener. One is in red color and the other one is in blue color. So when you mix both of them, you have to make sure that you mix it into equal proportion. I've already used a bit of it, so these are the left ones. So always remember that you have to apply a lot of talcum powder in your hand and not in your clay, and mix it well. See, one clay is in whitish color and the other one is in grey color. So you have to mix it जब तक दोनों पूरा एक हो जाए ना, सिंगल डव. Girls, I just request you all to submit your submissions on time, and please download your certificates on the same day when I'm sending you, because the link get expired and then I cannot do anything. See, it converted into one single color. I don't have my roller pin. 1 second. Okay. I'm going to roll it here, and then with the help of my cookie cutter I'm going to cut it. So always apply talcum powder to it also. अगर आपके पास कुकी कटर नहीं है तो वो बच्चों के क्ले में भी काफ़ी सारे कटर्स आते हैं. यू कैन यूज़ दैट. दिस इज़ फॉन्डू कटर, कम विद फॉर द केक कटिंग, केक का डेकोरेशन के लिए. to remove it like this. And it's very sticky, girls, so always remember to put your talcum powder when you're working with your molded. And आपको जितना क्ले चाहिए उतना ही क्ले आप मिक्स करो, because it dries and then आपको वो आपका वेस्ट हो जाएगा. You have to throw it. So always remember, आपको जितना क्ले चाहिए आप उतना ही मिक्स करिए. clear till now? I'm just taking a little more time to do that because I don't want to waste my clay. अगर आपके पास ये सारे कटर्स नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम, आप आराम से फ्री हैंड भी कुछ ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. इट्स ऑल अप टू यू. Okay, so I'm done with my cutting, and then what you have to do is I have to make these big ones as a hanging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make holes here. If you want, you can make in the smaller ones also. I don't want to make in the smaller ones. I'm just going to make a hole here in the bigger one. So once it dries up, I have just knot a thread here like this. So this hole is there, and I've knot these threads like this for the hanging. Okay, am I clear? I'll let it dry, no problem. You must be on time, but it's okay. अगर आप लेट आ रहे हो तो आपका मिस हो रहा है. So I did these hearts and colored these in with crimson red color only. Am I clear till now, guys? I don't think so. मुझे आपको ये कलर करके दिखाने की ज़रूरत है. Am I clear? So now coming back to this circle, am I clear? Am I audible? I'm not getting any response, no reply. Okay, so this was the strip which I have stick it. Now ये भी आपको डिसाइड करना है अकॉर्डिंग टू योर विथ ऑफ योर सर्कल. इफ इट इज़ वेरी बिग, आपको और बड़ा लेना है, यू कैन जस्ट एड ऑन पेपर्स टू इट. इफ यू वांट टू मेक इट स्मॉल, दैट इज completely on your size. So again, see, I have these huge dollies, huge collection of dollies. I am a big fan of these dollies. Okay, thank you so much, Amulya. So I'm going to place it here and stick it. I'm a huge fan of these dollies, so I have huge collections of dollies. So but keep on commenting something, otherwise I think I'm lost. See, I had one more idea. I'll just show you what I have thought of. If you don't have these dollies, what you can do is, these are the laces I have at home. So what you can do is just stick the plain paper, and with the help of fabric glue you can stick these laces. Even it is a very good idea. I'm going to show you how to use this also. So this was my long strip. What I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this here. And see, this is my circle ready here. So with the help of this glue drop, I'm going to tell you how to use this. Megha, I have ordered this big dolly from Amazon only. A lot of crafters also sell this. This is a very thin one, used basically for baking. For crafting also you have dollies which comes in different thickness. So once I have stick the entire thing, I'm going to stick this in this circle form. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this glue drop. There are drops of glues in this. See, I'm going to show you. So right, whoever do the baking stuff now, you get there. These actually, this is a very thin one, so baking के लिए वो use होता है. Thicker one are used for thicker ones are used for basically crafting also, and the different designs and dollies again. I've just placed one of my, so these are the drops. I'm going to place it at different places. The best part about these glue drops is it's child safe. आपको नहीं तो हम लोग इस तरीके की स्टिकिंग्स के लिए जनरली ग्लू गन का यूज़ करते हैं, एंड आई हैव अ ह्यूज फियर ऑफ दैट. दो आई एम अ क्राफ्टर, पर मुझे ग्लू गन का एक फियर फैक्टर ही है. तो मुझे ये ग्लू ड्रॉप्स बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. इसकी स्टिकिंग इज़ वेरी गुड, very handy. And then for my studio I have lot of kids, so it's very friendly for them also. So what I'm going to do is I'll start little slowly, because once this is stick on the glue drop I won't be able to move it. ये जो होल का पोर्शन था मैंने उसके आस पास में ग्लू ड्रॉप लगाया, एंड आई हैव लेफ्ट दिस पोर्शन सो दैट वंस आई एम डन विद द हैंगिंग आई एम गोइंग टू I'm going to stick it later on. Very simple step, but a beautiful effect. I hope I'm clear till now. Okay. Now, these are the hangings which I kept it ready of molded. I'm going to tie this here first and then I'll do the rest of my sticking. Just take the tripod little closer. Normal hanging, I'm going to just tie this here. युक्ता एक मिनट इधर आ ऐसा पकड़ so see, I just hope it's clear enough. See, these are my holes. I'm going to just do the tying here. I don't want to make it too long, so you can always do your tying first and then start with your sticking. Even that will do. I just wanted this much, so I'm going to just put a knot here. See, not like hanging like this. So I'm going to put all three quickly so that your time will be saved. My hanging is ready. So always remember that you have to color the hangings from both the sides to get a better effect, because when you're hanging this, it will keep on moving. So always remember that you have to color it from both the sides. Now just 1 minute. Once I am done in the rest of the places also, now I'm going to put my glue drop for a good sticking. Okay. hope I'm clear. Now here I'm going to just place a photograph, our photograph, and I told you I have an idea doing something with these laces. So what you can do is just put the laces around the photograph. So for that you use your fabric glue, because the best part for the fabric glue is कि once it is dried it becomes transparent. None of the other glue gets transparent once it is dried. Fabric glue is the only glue that goes transparent once it is completely dried. Submit article is Friday. Oh sorry, today is Monday only, no? No. Today is Monday. Sorry girls. Submission for this also is Wednesday. Your last article is also on Wednesday, and this article is also on Monday only, Wednesday only. So these small hearts which I have got, I am going to stick it here. My article is ready. Okay, so this is my final article. I hope it's clear to everyone. I can't see comments. Okay. Wait. Cake shop. Make it Thursday. Why Thursday, Soumya? It took me only 1 hour to complete. You can complete it by Wednesday. A very simple trick of using the papers and creating the effect. Okay, so see, I keep on telling you all the time कि आप लोगों को सिर्फ और सिर्फ टेक्निक सिखा सकती हूँ मैं, बाकी इट इज ऑल योर क्रिएटिविटी. The only thing I can do is I can tell you the techniques. So this is one, this is the other one. Wait, I'm going to tell you the difference in this and this also. Just 1 minute. See. So what was the difference? The paper technique is different here. Here I have used my cutters, cookie cutters, to make these hearts. But here I have used my silicone molds. I'll just show you 1 minute. This was my silicone mold. तो यहाँ पे से मैंने ABC का designs and these baby designs I have taken out. I have told you in the last class also. I have just talcum powder to this and then put the mold in this and then demold it, and then I got these embellishments. It is also known as resin embellishment, but in that they use resin. Here we have used molded to create these embellishments, and trust me, molded is very light, very light. So, and here this is ABC. So for having this long thing, what I did is मैंने ये डबल दो बार लगाया, and with the help of A+, I have so that if it keeps on moving also, you will have that kind of effect. See, why I am asking you Wednesday? Because क्या होता है कि आप जब तक मुझे एक सबमिशंस नहीं देते हो, मुझे नेक्स्ट वर्कशॉप लेना बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है. It goes really difficult for me. So, and videos won't be there. Please, I won't be keeping the video. I really appreciate all the people जो इतना टाइम निकाल कर आते हैं और मेरे लिए लाइव सेशन में इतना टाइम बैठते हैं और देखते हैं. I really appreciate all of you. So no videos for the people. Maximum the videos will be there for half an hour. If in case you missed out something for because of the network issue, but please not more than that. So please don't keep on asking. And if you're coming for the physical class also, अगर आप कहीं जाते थे physical class के लिए भी, तो आपको उतना टाइम स्पेयर करना पड़ता है. You have to spare that much of time. We people are also sparing that much of time. आप लोगों के लिए लाइव सेशंस ले रहे हैं, so आप भी उतना टाइम तो प्लीज मैनेज करो. And Wednesday, not more than that. Strictly no time more than that. और जो लोग मुझे बहुत लेट सबमिशंस दे रहे हैं, प्लीज़ डोंट आस्क मी फॉर द सर्टिफिकेट, बिकॉज लिंक जो होता है सर्टिफिकेट का, दैट स्टॉप्स ऑटोमेटिकली. इट इज़ नॉट इन माई हैंड, सो आई कैनॉट डू एनी थिंग. इन माई हैंड द ओनली थिंग इज आई कैन वट एवर आई नो, आई जस्ट टीच यू दैट. मुझे जो भी थोड़ा बहुत पता है वो मैं आपको सिखा सकती हूँ, पर उसके आगे कुछ भी मेरे हाथ में नहीं है. इट्स इन द कंपनीज हैंड. There are so many teachers who are working right now as a freelancer for Pedalite. I think more than thousands and thousands of teachers are there throughout all over India. तो उनके लिए भी वो ट्रैक रखना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. अच्छा, now tell me if you have any doubt. I'll just tell you how to I'll just clarify all your doubts. If you have any doubts, please, again I'm warning the people जो लाइव सेशन अटेंड करते हैं और सबमिशंस नहीं देते हैं. To them very strictly I am telling you, if you are not giving submissions, I'm going to remove you from my group. Please. Soumya, you can do it today only. I know. You're just asking for just an excuse. I know. A lot of you will do it today itself. If you don't have this MDF cutting, no problem. Just take a mount board, a thick mount board, and just start it. Rupa, if you don't have printed paper, try looking for magazines. Magazines आपके घर पे होंगे, उनको कटिंग करो, उनको स्टिकिंग करो, प्रिंटर निकालो, डू वॉट एवर, यूज योर क्रिएटिविटी ना. ये तो मैं सिर्फ आपको एक टेक्निक बता रही हूँ पेपर पैक्स को फोल्ड करने का. आप कुछ और क्रिएटिविटी सोचो और यूज करो. डॉली नहीं है, नो प्रॉब्लम. प्लेन वाइट पेपर विद द लेसेस यू कैन वर्क. No, haha, Soumya, I know you'll do it today only. My super quick student. Please, very strict. Saturday. No, sorry, I don't know why I'm thinking it's Wednesday today. It's you have to give your submission by Wednesday. That's it. That is full and final. You have to give your submissions by Wednesday. That is full and final. Okay. Now tell me if you have any doubt. I'll just clarify it. Wednesday we are coming up with a very beautiful article, that is mosaic decoupage, with again a little more technique which I know. आप काफ़ी लोग होंगे यहाँ पे जिनको डेकोपैच पता होगा कैसे करना है, बट देन वन स्टेप अहेड विथ मोजाइक डेकोपैच विथ whatever technique I know, I'm going to share it with you. Right now I don't have the article. I've already posted it in the group. The picture I have already posted in the group. For the base again, no problem. In that I have done it on wooden tray. युक्ता वो बॉक्स दिखा तो बेटा छोटा. See, I found this tin box in my house, so I'm going to tell you on this tin box. So आप bases कुछ भी ले सकते हो. See, I'm not keeping everything mandatory because I know in this pandemic बहुत लोग आज भी, I will not suggest anybody to go out and buy things. Try creating things. You will find, look around your house, you'll find a lot of things in house only, and then you can start with it. See, this is a box. ये Indigo flight का box मुझे मिला था. So I'm going to tell you the decoupage on this. If you don't, in that particular thing I have told you on, the picture is of wooden tray. I'll be showing you that also, that article also, and then, but I'll be doing it on this. So the technique, you must know the technique. That is only important. I got somebody's submissions, submission of this diary. I don't remember. Yesterday I think I got the submission of this diary also. Created her own stencil. See, today you get everything ready-made, but try creating things at home. So she have created her own stencils. I really appreciate those people. See, you must learn the technique. The rest thing is okay. A little bit here and there is okay. So for this diary also I have asked the submission date as Wednesday because Saturday को हमने ये डायरी किया था. I've given you till Wednesday. The reason behind it is कि दशहरा था बीच में, and then that day was Navami and Dashera, so a lot of people is having puja at home. So till Wednesday I want this submission also and that submission also. This one also. Okay. And a strict warning to those who are attending my session and not giving the submission. I'm going to remove you from my group now. मैं किसी भी एक specific जन को नहीं बोल रही हूँ, पर yeah, I'm going to check it and then surely I'm going to remove those people now. I'm not going to entertain those people. And again, the announcement is whoever gives me 5 submissions on time, So they are eligible for one of my paid course for free. All those people who have joined late, आगे आप मुझे 5 सबमिशंस दे दीजिए, या जिनका ऑलरेडी हो चुका है 5 सबमिशंस. टुडे इज़ माय सिक्स्थ क्लास. सो आगे भी जो भी 5 सबमिशंस मुझे टाइम पर देते हैं, यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर द फ्री क्लास, पेड क्लास फॉर फ्री. आई एम रियली सॉरी. Should I leave now? Bye guys, have a nice day. And those who have already given me 4 submissions, 5 submissions, don't worry at all. 7 submissions, 10 submissions, we have lot of surprises for you. I'm going to give you a lot of surprises. No problem, Pooja. आगे की 5 सबमिशंस आप देंगे. एनीवेज दैट फ्री क्लासेस आई एम गोइंग टू कंडक्ट ओनली आफ्टर दिवाली. सो डोंट वरी इफ यू हैव मिस्ड माई सेशंस, नो प्रॉब्लम. आगे के सेशंस आप कीप ऑन अटेंडिंग. इफ यू हैव अटेंडेड 5, इफ यू हैव अटेंडेड 7, 10, a lot of surprises are there. Okay.